One of the key components to having a successful 4 years of college is ensuring that your belongings are safe and secure in your dorm room. Luckily, the Dormco Yak About It locking safe provides lots of space and ensures that your valuables aren't going anywhere. This item does not come assembled, but don't worry, Dormco makes assembling this safe super easy. In addition to these 8 pieces, Dormco provides a screwdriver, so you need no tools prior to purchasing. The instructions are super easy to follow, with step-by-step directions on how to assemble these 8 pieces into one sleek, safe trunk. Start off by screwing 6 cam bolts into the piece labeled number 6. Step 2 is to put pieces 3, 4, and 5 into place. Use the cam locks to secure these boards in place. Set the piece you just worked on aside. Now it's time to place various cam bolts and dowels throughout the pieces labeled 1 and 2. Time to assemble the pieces we've just worked on. Cam locks will help lock these items into place. At this point, your safe should be able to stand. Step 5 is to screw the lock onto the piece labeled number 7. Next, attach the hinges. One side goes on the piece we just worked on and the other onto the structure we built. Joists can be placed throughout the trunk to allow pieces 8 and 9 to rest on top. This provides 2 shelves and additional organization throughout the unit. And just like that, you've built your safe. The sleek white finish to this trunk helps conceal the fact that it's a safe. You may want to consider locking up your camera, laptop, other electronics, wallet and cash, jewelry, and even those expensive textbooks that you'd hate to have to replace. This safe fits perfectly underneath your bed, providing peace of mind that your belongings are safe and tucked away. It even works in your wardrobe for easy access when you need to grab your purse before leaving the room. Store shoes, clothes, and other items on top or in front of it to maximize your space. This tough, durable Yak About It locking safe trunk will give you peace of mind when you're out of the room.